In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a review on Airbnb. This quick tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps, ensuring you know exactly how to modify a review if you need to update your feedback on a recent stay. Let's begin by heading over to the Airbnb website. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to airbnb.com. This will take you to the home page where you can log into your account. If you're not already signed in, make sure to do so by clicking the Login button at the top right corner and entering your credentials. Once you've logged in, navigate to your profile. You can access this by clicking on your profile picture or icon, which is also located in the top right corner of the page. This will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll select trips. It's here that all your past, current, and future bookings are listed. Now locate the trip associated with the review you wish to edit. Under the Trips section, you'll see a list of your completed stays. Browse through your past bookings and identify the one you're looking to review. Once you find it, click Show Details. This option will expand to reveal further information about your stay, providing a link to leave or edit a review. The next step involves finding the Leave a Review or Get Started button. If you see neither of these options, don't worry. Airbnb might still be processing your stay, as reviews can usually only be written shortly after you've checked out. Assuming the option is available, go ahead and click the button to proceed. Here, you'll have the opportunity to rate your stay with a star rating. Think carefully about each aspect of your visit to assign a fair and accurate score, which ranges from 1 to 5 stars. Next, you'll provide your comments on specific categories, including cleanliness, accuracy, communication, check-in, location, and value. Typing out your feedback here is crucial. Your insights are valuable to both potential guests and the hosts themselves. Be honest but constructive, offering helpful details that can improve future guests' experiences. Once you've filled in your ratings and comments, review everything to ensure accuracy. Double-check your entries to make sure they reflect your experience genuinely. When you're satisfied with all the information, the final step is to click the Submit button to post your review. And that's it. Following these steps will allow you to edit or leave a review on Airbnb with ease. Remember, your feedback not only assists other travelers in making informed decisions, but also provides valuable input for hosts aiming to improve their services. Your straightforward, constructive comments contribute significantly to the community on Airbnb. Thanks for watching and happy traveling.